Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm here today with an altered envelope. This is part of 12 on 12, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. I've got an envelope that is decorated with a digital printable, and I got this from Ink and Page. So this is a company that offers free printable ephemera. They have a weekly offering. I will link them in the description box below. I think it's a great way to try out printables. If you have never tried them before and you would like to try it out without the commitment of making a purchase, although digital kits usually are priced very reasonably. So I've decorated the front and back with this printout of strawberries, and I just think it is a lovely print. And then I've got my journaling cards, which are from the same digital kit. I think they're just beautiful, really evocative of summer and all the luscious fruit that is available during that time of year. I've got some magazine images on the back just to add a little interest to the back of these journal cards. I also have a piece of leftover scrapbook paper that has got some lovely strawberries on it. So I have multiple journal cards this month. I've really enjoyed this open collaboration. It is prompted with a new prompt every month, and I will list those prompts in the description box below, as well as linking to Penny's channel. She has got some marvelous creations, and I've really enjoyed seeing what everyone creates for these altered envelopes. So I had a lot of fun doing this. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I really thank you for joining me today.